Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming iOS 18 and Photos updates so features behave predictably. Open Photos and tap Library. Once done, switch to Years, Months, or Days view to locate content quickly. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled if you want devices synced, because that affects edits and shared albums. Tap an album or search with keywords. This first navigation step minimizes wasted scrolling and primes you for quick edits and organization. Now focus on organizing and improving images. Create or open an album, drag photos to reorder, and add tags or favorites for fast retrieval. When you tap Edit, use the AI-enhanced adjustments for exposure, color, and one-tap portrait relighting because they speed up consistent results. Use live text to copy text from images and visual lookup to identify objects. These tools help you repurpose photos for notes, contacts, or searches without finish by exporting, sharing, or archiving. Use the share sheet for airdrop or messages, create shared albums for groups, or copy an iCloud link for large sets. Once shared, archive originals or hide private shots to reduce clutter and protect privacy. If something goes wrong, check iCloud storage and Wi-Fi connectivity, sign out and back into iCloud, and restart Photos. These steps resolve most sync and missing photo issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.